everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Okay, so I was in a swap, and it was a one-on-one swap, and oddly enough, my partner is Lisa Goss, which you guys know she is one of my design team members. It was a pink and gold swap. The first thing that we were supposed to include was a set of 4 bows or rosettes. So I made 4 bows, and here are her 4 bows, and they are using different tones of pink and gold. And this one is one of the ones from my shop, the Loopy Bowl. So I went ahead and used a couple of different pinks, and I hope it's not too bad. The glare isn't too bad for you guys, and you can actually see what they look like. I just thought they turned out so pretty. And I know that's one of, that's probably her favorite color. So, yeah. I made the top layer of these bows with some shimmer paper. I used gold, and then I used this gold and pink that I found at Hobby Lobby, which is this paper right here. Oh, it's so pretty. So I know it has a little bit of white, but it's kind of pink. So I went ahead and used that one. But I went ahead and I made her the rosettes too, guys. I couldn't resist. I made her rosettes and pinks. And again, this is that paper from Hobby Lobby, some gold. And these are actually stuck one on top of the other. And, I was in the mood to craft. So I said, you know what? I'm going to make her the rosettes as well. The next thing was a 3 trim sampler, 18 inches each sample. So I did send her some gold. And this is a pink lace kind of trim, and I believe that one comes from Hobby Lobby. And then and I gave her some it's about a 1/4 inch trim ribbon, however you want to call it, and I sent them on the spools. That way she can use the spools if she chooses to use them, on a different project. So those were my that's my sampler. And then the next thing was a sequin mix. So I made her a sequin mix, and I put it in this cute little pink box, and hopefully she'll be careful when she opens it. But here is my trim. Oh, that looks so pretty. It's got all kinds of stuff in there. It's got different pinks. It's got some of those balls in pink and gold sequins, pink sequins, and different shapes. There are little flowers in there. So yeah, I wanted to put something iridescent, or I wanted to put other stuff in there, but I said no, it's supposed to be pink and gold. So that is the sequence mix that I made for her. And the heart is DTF. And then the next thing were a set of 6 flowers. Well, here are my 6 flowers, guys. They are a set from Heartfelt Creations. So I did go ahead and stamp it and color it. And, the leaves I cut out in gold. And I thought they came out pretty. So hopefully she likes these and she can use them. So those were my 6 flowers. So, and I really like the way that turned out. So those are the 6 flowers. The next thing was a bead mix, and here is my bead mix, okay? So, what can I give her that she may not already have? She, has virtually probably every bead that, that I have, because I get most of my beads from her. So they're all pink and gold, and I've got some smaller ones at the, in there as well, so she can use the smaller gold ones if she'd like. But there is my bead mix for her. And then last but not least is a package of jimmies. Well, I know that she has a lot of them, so I just put a few in there for her in gold and then pink. And these, I think, I probably just have a few more, but this is one of my favorite flat backs that I have in my stash. Just love that pink, and I hope that you can, that all that prettiness is coming through. Beautiful. I just love that. So I thought I would include a couple of extra goodies, some extras. And I got her this bone folder. It's got her name, Lisa, Happy Crafter. And I will have to link the shop that I bought this at. I'll have to link it in my description box, so in case you guys are interested. She was really quick. Her prices are very fair. And yeah, I thought this was really, really cute. So I am including that one. But I remember in one of her videos that she ruined her tweezers. So I bought her a new set of tweezers. Hopefully this is something that she will really like. I believe this is called Beadatives tweezers. Anyway, they're precise tweezers, and hopefully, I think I got these on Amazon. Hopefully, you know, they'll serve their purpose for her well, and she can continue to ruin the other ones. That way she can use this one for her crafting. One last thing that I did get for her is another, you know, extra. And this is the We Are Memory Keepers punch board. Now this one, guys, makes the shadow boxes. And yeah, I didn't know this existed until I saw someone make a shadow box with it. And I thought, oh my gosh, in so many different sizes. I know it only has, on here, it's only got these sizes, but there are many, many sizes out there. And I hope it's something that she will be able to enjoy and get a lot of use out of. So I kept thinking, well, what am I going to put it all in, right? So I had gotten the pencil boxes from Walmart, and everything fits in the pencil box nicely. So guess what I did, guys? I went ahead and decorated one for her, and here is what everything is going to go in. I made her a little bag out of the pencil case. I know that's hard for you to see, but I made her a little bag out of the pencil case, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I almost didn't want to give it to her, but no, I made it for her. And again, this is the DTF that I had in my stash, and it was pink. And all of these are Swarovski crystals, and I went ahead and used E6000 to glue all of these down. So, and I rub on them over and over. I have to send this off, but I would keep rubbing to make sure they're not going to come off, and they're not coming off, guys. So I'm happy about that. And then I put a little, you know, dangle on the zipper pull, and I put some on the inside. So when it is empty, you know, there's something else to look at besides this. It's got, you know, just a little bow right here, and then the burst right there. And I just thought that was so cute. I just love how it turned out. Very, very pretty. Okay, guys, I had a lady tell me that when I did my Ollie's haul, someone told me that I needed to use a different word other than pretty, because she was getting very, I forgot the word she used, frustrated, I think, or because I was being redundant with the word pretty. And I thought, well, honey, you can just keep scrolling. It doesn't bother me. So anyway, that's why I'm using the word pretty. But anyway, I guess I shouldn't have shared that with you, but you know, she's something else, I guess. It's easy to hide behind a computer, guys. It really is. And typically I don't say anything about, you know, negative comments. But you know what? I wasn't in the mood that day, so I responded to her and I shouldn't have. All right, guys, that is what I have for you today. This was so much fun to make. It did take a little bit because, you know, I had to put the E6000 behind each of the little crystals here. And then, you know, press them down, make sure that they were on there, you know, nice and sturdy. So it did take me a little while, but it looks like it was worth it. But anyway, that is my project share for today, and I will talk to everyone later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.